guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am so excited for this video. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you know that I just moved to the UK for my studies, and I recently moved into this room that I am renting in a house share. When I first moved in, there was just a bed and a table, so I was so excited when Temu reached out to me for a collaboration because you know that I love decorating and organizing my room. If you guys don't know what Temu is, it is an online marketplace where you can find a variety of items like clothes, home decor, room decor, appliances. Basically, you can find anything on there and the prices are super affordable. It is especially perfect for students like me. On top of that, they provide free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. I even got my items, I think, within a week after ordering them, which is amazing. You can download the Temu app using the link in the description box below, and you can also search my code, which is this right here, on the app to get a $100 coupon bundle. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the links to all of the items that I will be showing you in the video. So let's get started. The first thing that I got is this. This is a pen holder or just a desk organizer. I can keep all of my pens in here. It's this really nice textured, I think this is rattan, and it looks really nice. The next thing is this. It's quite huge. It is a cable management box, so it opens like this, and then you can keep all of the cables and the power strip in here, and you have holes on either side. Get the wires out and everything will look clean and organized. And it's this textured material. I think it's made from plastic. Next we have this, which I think are my posters. It comes in this nice packaging. Oh, it's these posters. The mind, body and soul posters. So this one is body. It says nourish your body. Next one is soul. It says feed your soul. The last one, it says open your mind. Next I got this plastic drawer. I did not expect it to be this small. It's smaller than my hand. It's really small. It's cute. It's white. It's made of plastic, but I'm sure I can find things to fit in here. Next, I don't know why I got this, but I got this calculator. It's this purple calculator, and I don't know, I just saw it and I thought it was really cute. Next, I got another poster, which also comes in a similar tube like the one before. It says do more of what makes you happy, which is one of my favorite life quotes. Next I got this. Ow. I think I'm gonna use this to keep my throw blankets and stuff like that. It comes with two of these rope handle things. Next I got this little container thing. It comes with this little lid that looks like this. I'm gonna use this to hold all of my earbuds. And it's kind of made of this acrylic plastic material. I really like the quality of this. Next, I got this makeup brush organizer. It has like a rotating bottom, and it has like all of these compartments. It has this textured design. It's made of plastic, but it kind of looks like it's ceramic, which is nice. The next thing that I got is this organizer box. It came like this, but you just open it up, zip it up, this and it turns into this. So you can use this to store all of your undergarments, your socks, and put it inside a drawer and it will be organized. Next, I got this little basket or shower caddy, whatever you want to call it. As you guys know, I'm living in a house share, so I'm sharing a bathroom. So whenever I go to shower, I can put all of my bath stuff in here and I can just take this and it will make my life a lot easier. You can also use this to store or organize anything. Basically, it's made of plastic, but it's a pretty good quality plastic. Next, I got this plastic drawer organizer set. I've seen so many viral ASMR videos of like people organizing their drawers with this. The thing that I noticed about this is not the greatest quality. It's made up of, I think it's very cheap plastic. I realized that there's a lot of like cracks on it already. So yeah, it has all of these cracks and I haven't even used them yet. I just opened a few, so let me check on others. So this one's fine, it has no cracks. I think this one is a set of 14 that I got. It's not the best quality, so I'm not sure about these ones. Next, I got these pastel highlighters. Since I'm starting university, of course, I'm gonna need some stationery. I don't know if I'm going to be writing down notes, but just in case I am, I got these highlighters and they're all pastel colors. Next, as you guys know, I love decorating my desk and my room, so I got this set of like wall decor cards or art prints. They're made up of this really thick like card paper. Let me just show you some of my favorites. Next, I got an actual laundry hamper. It's huge. It's made out of this rope material, and again, it's white and beige. It's quite heavy as well, and it is the perfect size to put all of my laundry in, and it's really good quality as well. Next, I got these. These are over the door hooks. Since I'm renting this place, I'm not allowed to drill any holes. So I thought this would be perfect to hang all of my clothes in because I need hooks like this to stay organized. Otherwise, all of my clothes will be on the floor. So I got these. It comes with 6 hooks and it stays perfectly over the door because of this. And it also has some sticker over here so that it stays in place. And this is perfect if you guys are also renting a place like me and cannot put hooks on your walls. This is perfect for over the door. Next, I got another desk organizer. It looks like this. It has this rotating feature again, and it also comes with different compartments. I really like to buy items that have this kind of texture, especially if it's like a really plain color like white or beige, because it adds a certain depth to the whole look or aesthetic, if you know what I mean. And I just love this one. Next item that I got is this soft cover notebook. It is in this really pretty purple color. I'm really obsessed with purple color at the moment. The calculator is also purple. I also got the notebook, which is purple, and I thought it would be perfect to take with me to my uni. The next item is this glass jar that comes with this tiny wooden spoon. I thought this would be perfect for the kitchen to store some sugar or spices. It came in super secure packaging and the quality of the glass is also really good. Next, I got a stainless steel cutlery set. It has these black handles and I really love the shape of these, and it just looks really sleek and I love it, and I am definitely going to buy more of these. The next thing that I got is this peel and stick contact paper thing. I've done a lot of DIYs in the past as well using contact paper, and I thought this would be perfect if I needed to DIY anything. And it is very renter friendly as well because it just comes off really easily. Is this really natural looking white wood grain contact paper. Yeah, it was really easy to install and it looks really nice and natural as well. The next thing that I got is this digital alarm clock. I don't think I will be using the alarm feature on this, but I will be using it as a desk clock. It comes with like a USB port and a C cable port. It also works on batteries. It needs 3 AAA batteries, which I don't have right now. It looked really good on the app and I thought it would be perfect to go on my desk. The next and final thing that I got is this lamp. I have seen this lamp everywhere on my Pinterest feed and my Instagram, and as soon as I saw this I knew I wanted it, and it looks like this. The lampshade is made up of some kind of fabric. I do not know what it is, but it has this wooden base and it comes with a USB cable, and it also comes with a switch that looks like this, a clicky switch, and I've already used this and it looks amazing. So that is everything that I got from Temu, and it has made the process of decorating and organizing this room so much easier. So look out for a new room makeover video which will hopefully be out very soon. And don't forget to check out the links in the description if you liked anything that you saw in this video. And that is it for this one. Please don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!